Hello everyone! Today you're going to explore a really useful feature in Zoho Assist called Annotation. If words alone aren't enough, this feature is your go-to tool for marking up and highlighting the remote user's screen during your remote support session. Let's get started. First, join an active session. Once you're connected, look for the Annotation option. It's a pencil-like icon in your session toolbar. Select it to bring up the tools. Here, the pen is your freehand marker. There's also a rectangle tool to frame a specific region. The text tool lets you help your customer understand things better. The cursor takes you out of annotation mode and brings you back to your normal pointer, so you can go right back to interacting with the screen when you're done marking things up. If you want to remove specific markings, use the eraser tool. To clear every annotation at once and start fresh, use the Clear Screen option. On Mac devices, you also have Line and Ellipse tools. One of the best parts about this feature is how it lets you collaborate. Both you and the remote user can annotate together, and all markings are visible to both in real time. This makes teamwork seamless. Also, every annotation you make during the session is captured in the session recording for future reference. So get into a session, try out each tool, and let your annotations do the talking. Happy remoting!